Hey everyone! Imagine this, you're finally ready to jump into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. You've done your research, you understand the basics of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you're itching to get started. But then you hit a wall. Building context, 015 to 115. Crypto exchanges can be confusing, intimidating places. Between the endless charts, unfamiliar jargon, and sky-high fees, it's enough to make anyone turn tail and run. Let's face it, traditional finance isn't exactly known for being user-friendly. Stock markets can be complex, banks charge hidden fees, and investing often feels like a game reserved for the privileged few. Introducing Newton Crypto, 115 to 130. But what if there was a better way? What if there was a crypto exchange designed with everyday people in mind? Enter Newton Crypto, your one-stop shop for buying, selling, and trading all things crypto. Core difference 1, simplicity, 130 to 230. Forget the overwhelming interfaces and indecipherable data streams. Newton Crypto is built around simplicity. Their platform is clean, intuitive, and designed for users of all experience levels. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or a complete beginner, you'll find everything you need to navigate the crypto world with confidence. Here's how they do it. Clear interface, the layout is straightforward and easy to understand. No more getting lost in a maze of menus and options. Simple buying process, buying crypto on Newton is as easy as buying anything online. Just choose your currency, enter the amount, and you're good to go. Educational resources, they offer a wealth of educational resources to help you learn about cryptocurrencies and make informed investment decisions. Core difference 2, security, 230 to 330. Let's be honest, security is a major concern when it comes to crypto. You want to know your hard-earned money is safe. Newton Crypto takes security very seriously. Here are some of their security features. Industry-leading security protocols. They employ industry-leading security protocols to keep your funds safe, including secure storage, regular audits, and multi-factor authentication. Focus on transparency. They prioritize transparency, providing regular updates on their security measures and any potential risks. Peace of mind. With Newton Crypto, you can focus on the exciting world of crypto, knowing your assets are secure. Core difference 3, low fees, 330 to 430. Crypto exchanges are notorious for their high fees. Transaction fees, withdrawal fees, hidden charges, it can all add up quickly and eat into your profits. Newton Crypto takes a different approach. Transparent fee structure, they have a transparent fee structure with clear and competitive rates. No hidden fees, no surprises. Focus on affordability. They believe that everyone should have access to the crypto market, regardless of their budget. Their low fees make it possible for anyone to get involved. Core difference 4, customer support, 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Let's face it, even the simplest platform can run into snags. That's why having responsive and helpful customer support is essential. Newton Crypto understands this. Dedicated support team. They have a dedicated support team available to answer your questions and help you with any issues you may encounter. Multiple support channels. They offer multiple support channels, including email, live chat, and phone support, so you can get the help you need, how you need it. Highlighting the benefits, 5 to 545. By focusing on simplicity, security, affordability, and customer support, Newton Crypto is making crypto accessible to everyone. Here's what that means for you. Easy entry point. Newton Crypto removes the barriers to entry, making it easy for anyone to start their crypto journey. Safe and secure. You can invest with confidence, knowing your funds are safe and secure. Cost effective. You can keep more of your profits thanks to Newton's low fees. Peace of mind. With their responsive customer support, you'll never be left hanging.